What do you do, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to the Casino Channel 329. Let's go for another session. Today is the day number 19. Okay, and today's target is $4. Okay, but obviously we are behind the schedule, so we are $113 behind schedule. So let's try to make $8 to $10 again. Okay, so hopefully today's going to be another profitable session, just like yesterday. And after that, we're gonna see what comes. Okay, so I've got the tool right here. So the last number came that I registered was number 10, and then number 31 came out, and then 21. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for the opportunity to arrive, and we're gonna go for yeah, that's it. So number one right there. Yep, that's number one. Okay, so right now we're just gonna wait for the opportunity to arrive. Oh, we're gonna set this one for 7, okay, just in case. And so if the middle column misses for one more spin, let me put some music. If the middle column misses for one more spin, we were gonna attack this one. Again, we are here to make $4, so I'm gonna go with I'm gonna start with 20 cents. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 numbers. So 11 highlighted numbers. Okay, oh, it came out 11 right there. So screw it. And 11, I think, was a yellow number. Can't recall. So we missed the opportunity. So we're going to wait for the next one. And we got 2, 5, 8, 10, 12 numbers. A lot of numbers. So I'm not going to play any of those numbers right now. So I'm just going to wait for the opportunity. So whenever the opportunity arrives, we're gonna place our bets. So according to the statistics from the last 57 spins, we can see that the dominant column is the middle section, and then you got the top one and the bottom one right there. And number one again. And then over here we got 43, the second um, dozen. Um, we have 27 on the first and 22 on the third. So let's see how it goes. A few multipliers came out, so 100x. Another 100x today would be perfect. We definitely need to make some big bucks. Okay, so 100x to finish this session would be great. Greatly appreciated. So 11 came out, one. Let me have a look. So we got one here, 11 here, right on the other side, and one again. So we got number 10. Oh, I'm here. Number 10 right there. So we're potentially going to see the second dozen or the third column. So we're just going to wait. So hopefully one of those will be our play. In the meantime, we still got too many numbers. So we got 2, 5, 10, 12 numbers. Yeah, still a lot of numbers. So, and because this table only pays 30x, I don't want to play 12 numbers. So I'm only going to be able to go for 2 spins, and then after that, I will have to double up. Okay, so number 3 is a trigger number. But like I said to you, we got too many numbers. So I'm not going to go for that. Okay, second dozen. We got 3 misses, 5 misses. Oh, and the third, oh, maybe, oh, we got opportunity here. So the third dozen hasn't come out in 6 spins. Damn, I'm cold. And second dozen hasn't come out in 5 spins. So I had opportunity to play some chips. I just realized that because the first column has been coming out very often. So most like one of these two will come out now. 26, there you go. I missed the opportunity. And that's a highlighted number. So I missed the opportunity. Okay, so Let's go for the second dozen. I missed the opportunity. Actually, let's wait for the highlight, not rush into it. But yeah, I missed the opportunity. So I could have played those two dozens because one of them has to come out, right? It cannot be just the first dozen. So we have 3, 4, 7, 9, 11. Okay, we got number 7 there. That's another trigger number. And now we're gonna go for the second dozen. The second dozen hasn't come out in 7 spins. And another trigger number came out, which was the 7. So we got 4, 10, 4, 8, 11 numbers. So it's the second dozen comes out now. It's going to be our first win. 23 is the lucky number. Okay, number 2, another trigger number. I'm missing out on these numbers. Okay, so second dozen hasn't come out in a long time. So in 8 spins. And all these numbers are getting triggered. So I'm going to get done with this dozen. And then I'm going to start playing these numbers. So 3, 6, 9, 10 numbers now. There we go. So this is going to be the second spin. Hopefully this one is going to be a winner. There we go. 22. Yeah, that will do. Okay, cool. So we just made our first buck. So we are up 60. 22 right there. So potentially this third column right here will be the next target. And in the meantime, we're going to be on the lookout for these numbers. So we got 3, 6, 9, 10 numbers there. Potentially 2 coming up shortly. Once they hit 50 spins without coming out, you know, they will be circled with yellow. There we go. What we got next? So we got 32. Okay, 32 right there. Okay, 5 spins there. So 2 more spins, and we're gonna go for it. There we go. Yeah, potentially I'm gonna go for no, I'm gonna stick to 20 because I don't want to go too high because the bankroll can drop really, really fast. So I'm gonna take it easy. So let's see what we got now. Okay, that's 29. That's a trigger number. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna play these trigger numbers. So there's 3. So 20, 23. So we got 28, 34, 36, and 24. So 9 numbers. So 3, 6, 9. Yeah, 9 numbers. So 9 numbers on the table. So I can go up to 3 spins with this one. And if I get hit on the third spin, I will make 30 cents in return. But if I miss the third spin, then I will have to double up in order to make profit. 14, that's a miss. Okay, we got another column right here, right highlighted. So we're gonna play these numbers, and we're gonna go for this one right here. So we placed 90. So we're gonna go for 3 chips because we lost the first one. So if you win this one, you're gonna make back 60. So we recoup some. So this is gonna be the second spin with these numbers. No lucky numbers on those numbers. There we go. Number 5. Okay, that's a hit. Cool. And we're still gonna play. We play 3. Okay, so we got 60. And we are up 150. So we play in this column right here. So number 5 came out. Cool. So 8 shots without coming out. So we got 60 there. So right now I got 7, 8. So 2, 4, 6. Huh? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We got 10 now. Oh yeah, because this one just came out. Okay, that's 21. Okay, that's a hit. Okay, we made our profit. So 21 there. So we are up 270. So we just need 130 to reach the daily target. So potentially this bottom column right here will be the next one. So we got 2 more spins to go on this one. And then after that, if he misses, we're going to go for it. And we got 2, 6. I keep counting, but yeah, still 10. Still 10. So 20, yeah, 20 and 23 are the go-to numbers. That's 20 or 29. That's 20. There you go. Oh, that was 100x. Damn. And we got 2 more spins on the bottom column. So 100x, that would be 10 bucks right there. That would make me walk away from the table. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I should have gone with the numbers again. So yeah, I'm gonna go for the numbers. We got 29 and 15. No. 15 is almost there though. 42. We got number 13. We screwed us over. Okay. We lost the opportunity. Okay, so we're potentially going to have the third dozen to play. And third dozen is good because we have 4 numbers that haven't come out in 71 spins. Well, 3 numbers, 71 spins. So hot numbers in here is 8, 22, 21, 14, and 11. Cold numbers 4, 6, yeah, those 2. 18 right there, and 24. Yeah, that's correct. And we got number 27. Yeah. It just reset my dozen. Jeez. Okay, seems like it's going to be a long session again, but patience is key. So first dozen potentially have 3 more spins, and keep in mind that numbers from 30 to 36 hasn't come out in 7 spins. So when it gets to 14 spins, this will be in blue. And we have 4 numbers there that haven't come out in a long time. There we go. Number 17, that's a trigger number. Ooh, 400x. Damn. 400x. So you're going to go for 4, 28, 34, 36, 30. Wait, that's double chip there. 21, 18, 6, and 23 left. So we got 3 here, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a double chip somewhere. Right here. Double chip there. Double chip there, so we need to rectify that. So this is going to be the first spin. Okay, 13 came out. Cool. We're going to repeat the bets. 28, and the other one is 23. Okay, second spin. And potentially, if this one misses, we're going to go for the first dozen. 400x on 17. Damn. That would be 40 bucks. Okay, we got one lucky number. It's number 24. It's a hot number. 18, 10. He just screwed us a hit. Was that the second spin? Yeah, the second spin. So we're gonna go for the third spin with these numbers. If nothing happens, then so 10 right here. So we got two neighbors. So we got this one and potentially this one. And if you lose this one, you're gonna be back to square zero. Come on, give me this win now. Number 4. Okay, that's a hit. That's a win. Cool. Okay, right now we don't have anything else. So we got this one. So we got 3 more spins on this one, 3 more spins on this one. Maybe. Okay, 30 to 36 hasn't come out in 11 spins. So I think I was on a spin 12 or 14. That's going to be highlighted. And then I'm potentially going to play some plays there. So number 6, number 21. No. Number 2. Okay. We don't have that. So we got 3, 5 numbers, 8 numbers on the table. Potentially 15 will come up for the 9th number. So now it is going to be about 9 numbers. So we just $1 away to reach our daily target again. I would like to get at least $8, $8 to $10 to recoup the losses that I had for the past few days. But let's see how it goes. If the session gets too long, then I will try to achieve my daily targets and wrap it up. Here we go. We got number 30. That's a hot number. Oh, you just killed my dozen and my column. Damn it. So we're going to go for 6, 28, 34, 36, 23, 24, 15, 18. 15 and 18. So 2, 4, 7, 8. So we got 15 and 18 left. There we go. Number 9. We don't have number 9. That's a miss. We're going to repeat the bets, and we're going to add the 15 and 18 there because they were missing. So this is going to be the second spin. And apart from that, potentially is going to be the second dozen that we're going to place our play. Let's see what's going to come up. No lucky numbers on our number. We got 500x on 25. Would be juicy for us. That's 33. That's a miss. Boom. Okay, we're gonna go for one more spin. And if nothing happens, then potentially we're gonna go for the second dozen. Because you can see 6 spins right there. If not, we're gonna wait for the first column. Come on, give me a lucky number. Okay, we have 36 with 50x. Come on, let's go. 36 would be juicy. 8 spins without coming out. Come on. Number 5. Ah, that was close to number 6. Okay, we lost 3 spins in a row, so that was 150, I think, something like that. So we're gonna go for 50. So 8, 16. That was 24, so we lost 24 there. 2.4. So if you win this one, you're gonna make one back. And potentially we'll have this bottom column right here, first column. We got number 3. That's a miss. We're gonna go for a buck. Buck bets. So 36 hasn't come out in 82 spins. 36, 34, 24, and 6. 82 spins. Okay, so $1 on the table. So if you make this one, we get 2 back. So second dozen hasn't come out in a long time, and it is the dominant dozen. Okay, there you go. Oh no, that's the first dozen. I was like, there you go. Not there you go, nothing. So 9 spins without coming out. We're gonna double it up. $2 now. And what else we got here on the table? Not much going on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 numbers. 8 numbers on the table. So potentially 35 will come next to be highlighted. So again, second dozen is the dominant dozen over here with 38%. So hopefully will come out now so we can make our money back. 34. 34 is a trigger number. And 10 spins there. Wait, not. Okay, we're gonna go for 6 as well. 6, 15, 18, 24, 36, 35, 35, and 23. 28 is missing as well. Okay, we got number 6 with 50. Let's see what we got. $23 that I missed it. Shit. Oh, okay. I missed the 23, but I had the tip there. But the 23 was the one that I missed and came out. Jeez, that's bad luck. So that would be an extra $3. So we would be up 760. Damn it. Damn. So we got jeez. So 3, 6, 7. 7 numbers. So we're gonna play these 7 numbers. So yeah, 23 was the last one that I was clicked it, but the bets were closed. So we got 14. Okay, we got 14, so potentially gonna go for this one. So right now we are on our target, okay? So 460, so we have 60 extra. So we got some hot numbers here. So we got 6, we got 24, 28, and 36. They haven't come out in 86 pins, okay? So hitting one of these numbers with, let's say, a 200 multiplier, that would be perfect. Okay, so we got 131. They're not hot numbers. Here we go, number 3. Yeah, that's number 3. Okay, so we got the second column again, second dozen. So we're gonna go for 20. We're gonna take it easy now. So if you make this one, you're gonna be at $5. What we got here for the lucky numbers? So we got 8 and 32. No, they're not hot numbers, but they are juicy. And I just realized that the second column, the second dozen came out in one spin, and the 7 is for the color black. But luckily, we won, so I need to pay more attention. So we're on $5, so let's try to get at least 3 more bucks so we can get out of here. And right now we got nothing, so we got potentially the third dozen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 7 numbers on the table. 29 looks juicy with 500x. 26 and 19. Oh, 19 is the hot number. And that's 13, I think. Yeah, 13. That's a miss. Okay, so 2 more spins on the third dozen, and we're gonna go for it. And yeah, we're gonna attack the third dozen. So keep in mind the third dozen only came 22% from the last 89 spins. So we're gonna go easy on that one. What else we got here? Not much we got going on. Yeah, hopefully we're gonna get another nice multiplier so we can walk away buzzing. So 15 is juicy, but we don't have it. 29, no, only 15. Number 2. Okay, so middle column is gone. Number 2. Okay, so it potentially, if it misses the third dozen on the next pin, we're gonna go for it. Let's see how it goes. So 90 spins, so 36, 6, 28, and 24. 90 spins. So yeah, so it potentially gonna go for those 7 numbers. So 3, 6, 7, yeah. And 25 might come out soon. So 9 and 21. So what we got here? 33 again. Yeah. I just screwed us up. So 33 there. So we're on 30 minutes now. I don't want this session to be too long. So we are in profit though. I would like to get an extra $3 so I could well, let's try to make it to 60. Okay, so let's try to get 440. So 440, and we would have a round balance of 60. Well, let's see how it goes. We got number 32 right there. Right. So yeah, right now we're just waiting for a trigger number or a column or dozen to come out to be missing for 7 spins so we can go for it. So I'm thinking, so if this one comes to 7, I will go for 50 so I can make a buck or something like that. Let's see how it goes. Screw it. 17. Okay, we're not going to do anything with that one because it already came out. So we potentially have this one right here. So we got 4 spins, 3 more to go, and the first dozen to go. So the hot numbers, so 36, 24, 6, and 28. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I might play those 4 numbers, but it's one of those. So they overdue to come out, but they might not come out for the next 100, 200 spins. Who knows? So I might as well sit tight and wait. Okay, that's 35. And that's a trigger number. So we're going to go for 19, 25, 28, 36, 24, 18, 15, and 6. Anything else? No. So we got 9, huh? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So where's the double one? This one is double. So this one is double. We have no numbers here. I need to remove that chip. There we go. So 24. Oh, 24. Oh, beautiful. 24 is the one. Oh, 34. I was like 24. I was getting too excited now. I was getting too excited. So because 24 had 2 chips. I was getting too excited, like, oh, 24 has 2 chips. So let's walk away now. That would be $6. Okay, first dozen hasn't come out in 5 spins. And third column hasn't come out in 4 spins. And we have 2, 4, 5 numbers. So hopefully one of those numbers will be a hit. So this is the second spin. There we go. 36 came out. Is it 36? Let me wait for the rating. Okay. 36 right there. Okay, cool. So 630. So 630 right there. And so we got 2, 5, 8 numbers. I'm tempted to go for another spin, but I'm going to wait for this one. This first dozen potentially will be a miss. So hopefully will be a miss. And we're going to play with that one. We're going to go with 30. So we don't need none of those numbers. So that was 36. 36 is right here. Number 9. Okay, we don't have number 9. I just screwed us up. Number 9 came out. Potentially, number 7 is too high. Or probably going to go for number 6. Okay, guys, I'm going to go for 6 more minutes, okay? I'm going to wrap it up at 40. And if nothing comes up, then we're going to call it a day with 630. It's better than losing, right? But I would like to get a mega lucky number again. So we got 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8. What we got here? Potentially 0 will come up next. So 24. 24. It's a winning number. Okay, and we got number 0 there. Damn it. We missed that one. So 36 came, 9 came, and 24 came. So 28 hasn't come out to 98 spins. And then we got 18, 76. So 28 and 6 are boiling. They're crying to come out. So we're going to play the numbers again. What we got here? 11. So 11 is a trigger number. And we got 16. So we got more numbers now. We got 4, 7, 9 numbers. I don't want to play the numbers. I don't really want to play the numbers because we are up. And I just want to have a one or two more hits and walk away. But at the same time, if we hit one number, it's going to be $3, right? So it's going to put us up. It's going to put us up. So 3, 21, 27, none of those. We got 19. Oh, This sucks. Okay. We got 6, 8, 15, 18. We got 25, 28, and 16. Okay, 3, 6. Oh, it's 0. Yeah, so 3, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers there on the table. We missed. So we missed the number 24 and we missed the number 19. Damn it. Okay, so we got 550x on 18. Come on, 18. Let's go. So that's 36. That's a miss. We're going to go for one more spin. That was 36. 36 right there. And we got nothing else going on. So number 28 or number 6 to come out. Come on, with a lucky number. Come on, let's go. So we can wrap this session up. No lucky numbers there. But at least will be a hit. Come on. Number 17. That's a miss with 100x. And we got number 12. Okay. This is going to be the third spin. Damn it. Come on, third spin, third win. So let's win this and go home. Because yeah, it's going to be like 40 minutes now. So hopefully will be our last spin, last win, and we walk away in profit. So we win this one, we'll be at 680. We got number 30, that's a miss. Okay, 30, that's a miss. We got nothing else going on. Okay, I'm tempting to go one more spin. So we got 180 there. And I'm losing the profits right now. So we're at 6, now 380. Come on. So this is going to be the fourth spin, playing these numbers. So if it doesn't come out, then we're going to leave those numbers alone. No lucky numbers here. Ooh, 9 with 50, 500x. Damn. I would love to get that. What's this? 25, that's a hit. Yes, yes, thank you. Okay, we are up $8. And so we need 140. So we need 140 to be at 60 or $2. Okay, so let's see what's gonna happen. So if the first dozen misses for 2 times, I'm gonna go for it. But if the first dozen comes out, I'm gonna call it a day with $1 profit. So my last play is going to be on the first dozen. So, but if the first dozen comes out, then that's it. That'll be it. 35. 35 came out. No, that was 25. Okay, so one more spin, and we will go for the. Well, if the first dozen misses now, we're going to go for the first dozen, and we're going to go with. We're going to go with 20 cent bet. Yeah, 40 minutes in. So yeah, hopefully the first dozen will miss. We're gonna go for it, and yeah, we're gonna play with it, try to win, and make a few extra bucks and walk away. There we go. Okay, that's a 0. Okay, so that means we're good to go on this one. And 0 was a number that was highlighted. So look at number 6 and number 28. So it hasn't come out in 106 pins. So they are boiling. So we got 3, 5, 7 numbers there. Ooh, that was 23. That was 3, I mean. So that was 26. So that's a miss. We got 40 now. Okay. So number 6, number 28 still hasn't come out from 107 such. Okay. We got none of those. So first dozen now. What's this? 11. That will do. Yeah, cool. So we're gonna wrap this session at 860, guys. So number 11 there. So yeah, we're gonna. Well, we got potentially two more trades here, two more bets here. So we got the second dozen here. So we need one more spin, and we will have this one right here for two more spins. So let's see how it goes. That was number 11. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Again, number 6 and number 28 are hot, 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 hot. 1 and 7. That's 36. Okay, this play is gone. Okay, we're gonna go for this one, second dozen, because second dozen, it's the leader over here. So potentially second dozen won't be a hard work. So if we win this one, we're gonna make an extra 60, so we're gonna be at 920. And yeah, we're gonna be happy with that. And potentially have this one. Many opportunities are coming now that we have to wrap it up. 16. 16 is a hot number. So 17, okay, we'll take it. Yeah, cool. 17. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this spin, and let's see if we can play over here on the bottom. So we're gonna wait for one more spin. If it hits, then well, if it misses, we will go for it. And well, I'm not really keen on this one because it's the one that comes out the less. So I'm in too much. Let's see how it's gonna play out. Let's see what we got here. We got 50, 16, and 26. So 16 is a hot number. 36 again. 36 right there. Okay, so we got two options here. We can see this column right here, and we can see the numbers 1 to 9. So we're gonna go for this, something like this. So we're gonna go like this. So we can see the numbers 1 to 9 haven't come out in 14 times. I should have gone with 6 and 8. And we can also see this column right here hasn't come out in 7 spins. So if it comes on 1, 4, 7, or 10, that would be a jackpot. Okay, 3. That's a win. So it hasn't come out then. So that was a win. We're gonna go for the second one. So this one hasn't come out in 8 spins. But yeah, this is definitely going to be my last play because I'm saying, oh yeah, I'm going to stop, I'm going to stop, I'm going to stop, but I ain't stopping. So I need to stop. So this is going to be my last play. So let's see if we can get this hit and walk away. Here we go. Number 9, I believe. Okay, number 9. Yeah, I'm going to wrap it up, guys, because yeah, it's enough. So 46 minutes. I'm tempted to go for one more spin over here, but yeah, screw it. So I lost that 20, so screw it. So 910 profit. So the balance is 59.70. So 59.70. Cool. Okay, so we're done. You're going green. Okay, and yeah, so we made our double again. Again, we still got a long way to go, right? So hopefully by 8:30 we'll have at least 100 bucks. And what was the number? The number was number 26. That would be a miss again. But anyway, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.